Jai Hind everyone. So today we are going to learn about the operations of algebraic expression. So previous video we have deal about what is the algebraic expression and all. So let us start. First question. Let me start here. So the question will come like this. Add the number it is given over there. 6a plus 8b minus 5c. First term, and second term it is given as 2b plus c minus 4a, and third number let me provide you, that is a minus 3b minus 2c. Now this is the number that we need to add. First step, how I am going to solve it. This is number. So always remember, yesterday I told you the rules, that is like terms will only add, unlike terms will never add. So see here how I am solving it. 6a plus 8b minus 5c. First term I will write. Second term, a, below a I will write only a terms. What is the a terms? Minus 4a. So minus 4a. Next, below b I will write only b terms. What is this? Plus 2b. Next is what? Minus 3b. Next, any other b? Not there. Next is your c. Below c only I will write. It is plus c. So plus. Before that, suppose number is not written over there, then you can understand the coefficient is 1. Before coefficient is not there, you can understand the number as 1. Now here, here 1 a is also missed, so I can write here plus 1a. Now here it is written over there plus 1c, so I can write plus 1c. Next is minus 2c, so minus 2c. As you are able to see here, a, below a only I have written, because yesterday we have discussed the rule, that is below like terms will only add and subtract, and multiplication division it will not follow, so it should be like terms. So see here, as you are able to see here. Now see here how I am adding it. Next, c it will come c. Now minus into minus plus 5 minus 2 minus 7 plus 1 it will be minus 6. Next, b, directly we can write b. Next, 8 plus 2, that is 10. 10 minus 7, and 10 minus 3, 7. So b it will be answer. Next, what will be the sign? That is positive, because 8 is a greater symbol. Here 5 is a greater number, negative, that's why I written minus 6. In the same way, now 6 minus 4, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 3a. So this is the correct answer. How to add the algebraic expression. Now let's go to the next. Next question, it is written over there. Let us go for the subtraction. 3x square minus 6x. 3x square minus 6x minus 4. Minus 4. The question will be written as subtract this from 5 plus x minus 2x square minus 2x square. So this is the question that we need to solve it. Already I told you, in algebraic expression or linear equation or any equation, suppose whatever is written over there from, means after from whatever will come, that you should write first. So let me write the first. 5 plus x minus 2x square. I have written that. What is the logic? I told you, below like terms only I will add or subtract. Now 5 is what? Constant. Now what is the constant in another term? Minus 4. Okay, minus 4. Next, what is the next? X term. X coefficient is not given there, I can write here 1. Next, again in this equation, what is the x term? Only x. Coefficient of x. Coefficient of x square is 3. Coefficient of x is minus 6. So what I will write here? Minus 6x. Next, what is the coefficient of x square in the upper part? That is plus 6. Plus 3x square. Now I need to do subtraction. Now there is a different logic. Now if I am applying the subtraction rule here, now the rule, the transposing rule that you need to remember every time. So what is the transposing rule? That already last time also I have discussed. That is minus into minus it will become plus. Your plus into plus it will become your plus. Minus into plus that will become minus. Plus into minus that will become your minus. So this is a transposing rule. Same rule I am going to follow here. Second term always I will follow. Now see how I am solving. Minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus. Minus into plus minus. I have written over. Now this is my actual sign. Now see here, it is written 5. 5 plus 4, answer is 9. Next, plus, now x, direct x will come. 1 plus 6 plus 7. X square I will write. Now minus into minus plus. Now 3 plus 2, 5. 3 is bigger or 2 is bigger? 3. So what is the sign of the 3? That is minus, so answer is minus. So this is the sign. How to add the algebraic expression. Now let us move to the next, that is the multiplication. Multiply. The question will come. Now multiplication, let us start. Let us start with the multiplication. First it is written over there, monomial to monomial. Let me write in shortcut, mono into mono. Monomial, yesterday I told you, single term into single term. Now first it is written over there, question 6xy into minus 3x square y cube. This is the question, we need to solve it. Now how to solve that? So for that you should remember the logic of the exponent and power. Those students who are not able to understand, you can check my video of that exponent and power, you will get the idea. Next 6, and how to multiply this. I told you like terms first I will it will follow. Next 6 and 3, that is a constant. Now how I will do here? 6 into 3. 6 into 3. Minus sign is there. Minus into plus, minus. Next logic I will apply. Now next x. Now I write x into x square. After that next is your y. Then I will write y into y cube. Now let us follow the same method. 6 3 are 18, minus 18 into x square. X nothing with power will be 1. Already exponent and power I explained you. Now if the base is same, power will be added. 1 plus 2 into y, same base power 1 plus 3. Then I can write here the answer, minus 18 x to the power 1 plus 2 3 y 2 1 plus 3 4. So this is the correct answer for multiplication. This is a type 1 problem, monomial into monomial. Next type we are going to check about the 2 binomial. Binomial into binomial. Binomial means 2 terms. Now see here, let us start. That it is written over there, 3x plus 5y into 5x minus 7y. Now this question we need to solve it. Now see here, this question before solving, I think that this question little bit you have an idea how to solve it. We will apply here the distributive property also, we can say. How to solve it? See here, this number is there. First I will differentiate this. First number I will going to multiply. Okay, let me put the help of arrow, then it will be easy for you. 3x plus 5y into 5x minus 7y. First number that I will multiply first. Second number I will multiply second. Next addition sign is there. I will be able to observe the arrow how I am simplifying. Second it will multiply this, and next it will multiply this one. Now see here how I am solving. 3x bracket, what is the first number? 5x minus 7y plus 5y I will write. Next is what? 5x minus 7y. Now see here how I am solving. 3 5s are 15, x into x square, minus 7 3s are 21, x into y xy, plus 5 5s are 25, x into y xy, minus 5 7s are 35y. I think now you are able to get the logic, sir, that why you solved that addition and subtraction first. Now it will help you here. What is the answer I got? 15x square minus 21xy plus 25xy minus 35y. Now after that, see here, 15x square. Now is there any term that is x square? No. So I can never add or subtract. So I will write the answer as it is, 15x square. Next, minus 25xy minus 21xy. Is there any term like that 20xy? Yes, 20xy is here. So see here, minus into plus minus. So I will do 25 minus 21 4. So which number is bigger? 25. So answer will be your plus 4xy. Next xy. So I will write the coefficient as xy. Next 35y. Is there any term that is y like that? No. So I will write directly answer plus y. So this is my answer. This is the rule how to multiply binomial into binomial. Now let us move to the next. That is, the question will come monomial into monomial, binomial into binomial. Now after that, what was the term that we learn? Monomial into multinomial, you can say, or everything. Actually everything we are learning about monomial, binomial, trinomial, multinomial, and it will come in so on. Then everything we can say this all will come under the one shade, we can say that is your polynomial. Now so let us start the next multiplication. Suppose it will come a question like this, then how I will solve. The question is 5x square minus 6x plus 9 by, it is written second, 2x minus 3. I hope you understood. This is what? Two terms. So we can say as a binomial. How many terms are there? 3 terms. We say as a trinomial. So we are multiplying trinomial into binomial. Now how to solve it here? First I will write here 2x minus 3. After that I will write here 5x square minus 6x plus 9. Now here same apply the bracket rule. How I am putting the arrow? Arrow represents the huge importance. 2 into 5. Next I will add 2 into 6. Next I will apply 2 into 9. First. Second, 3 into 5. 3 into this minus 6. 3 into minus 9. Now here. Now it will be 2x. Now I put bracket. Next number is 5x square minus 6x plus 9. First number completed. What is the next number? Minus 3. So I will write here minus 3. After that I will write next term. 5x square minus 6x plus 9. Now see here how I am solving. Already I told you 2x into first number I will multiply 5x square. Now 2x into 5. 2x into 5. What will be the answer? 2 5 ja 10. X into x square. Power will be x cube. Minus 2 6 ja 12. X into x square. Plus it is written 2 9 ja 18 x. Next again in second. 3 5 ja 15 x square. Minus into minus plus. 6 3 ja 18 x. Minus into plus minus. 3 9 ja 27. Now again apply the same logic. Like terms will not add, unlike terms will not add. 10 x cube. Sir, x cube is not there. I cannot do anything. Next, minus 12x square minus 15. Minus, now see here, these two are like terms. Why? Because here also x square, here also x square. Now see here, minus to minus plus. So 12 plus 15, I will get here minus 27 x square. Now here 18x. I will get here 36x. Now here it is minus 27. So minus 27 I will write. So this is my answer. Now I hope that you understood how I am multiplying monomial into binomial and so on. Now next question, let us go. Already we completed multiplication, addition, division. Multiplication, addition, subtraction. Now we are going to deal with the division part. Now in division, here first I will start with monomial to monomial. Mono by mono. Mono means single term by single term. Now let us take one question. Question I am taking here. 8x square y cube. It is written by minus 2xy. This is our question. Means by means divide. Now see how I am dividing it. 8x square y divided by minus 2xy. Now those who are not able to understand exponent power, I am not understanding. You can check my video, you will get an idea. Now if you are not understanding, then also see here 8. How to solve the prime factorization method also you can apply. 2 8 is written over there. Now how you can cancel this term? 8 it is written, you can do like that, 2 into 2 into 2 in the prime factorization method. 8 square, x square means x into y is written one time, so I will write one time, divided by. Now minus 2 into x is one time, after that y. Now see minus 2 cancel, x cancel, y cancel. Now what is remaining? 2 2s are 4x. So here I am writing 4x divided by, minus is already there. Now anything is remaining in the bottom? Nothing. So I will write here minus 1. Now can I write here, send this minus up, so 4x by 1. So final answer is your minus 4x. Minus 4x is your final answer. So this is the way how to divide it. I am dividing monomial to monomial. Same question, it can be complicated also. Let me take one question, it will be easy for you. Another time. Now another type of question it is given over there. 6x 5 plus 18x power 4 minus 3x square by 3x square. Now this is the term. Now how to solve it? How to divide it? The process remains same. See how I am dividing. 6x power 5 plus 18x power 4 minus 3x square divided by 3x square. I will write first step, step 1. Next step, I will write here 6x power 5 divided by 3x square plus, now I will segregate one by one, 18 by x power 4 divided by 3x square. Next minus 3x square divided by 3x square. Now this is the process actually in very small classes you need to do. Now you can solve it directly. See here how I am solving. 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6. So what is the answer here? 2. Now it is in denominator. Already exponent rule, if you know, then only you can solve it. See here, if you didn't know, then you can watch my video. Divide sign is there, then you can do 5 minus 2 plus. Now 3 1 the 3, 3 6 are 18 x. If your denominator is there, 4 minus 2, power will minus. Next minus 3x square, 3x square, direct you cancel. What is the answer? 1. So this is the answer. Now if I need to simplify, then I will get 3 plus 6x to the power 2 minus 1. This is a question that I need to divide. How many terms are there? 3 terms. 3 terms with trinomial by monomial division. Now a real question came. The question you can expect in your class 9 maximum time in your examination you will get it. The question, let me solve one question for you. The question is divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1